Daily Doom.
Man, you're bumming me out. Get him out of here. Who invited Mr. Doom over? Get that guy out of here.
All right, it is 2 p.m. on May 24th, and want to show you again, this was the video that I put out on the Joplin tornado storm that came through. But what I want to show you here is a couple stills from this that is now affecting the weather currently. And it is now, as I said, it's May 24th. This was May 22nd when this video was created. I want you to look at this storm signature right here, or this energy pattern right here that's showing up. Also, this little circle that's showing up right in here. And I want to move through this so you can kind of see what's going through and how they're pulsing these energy signatures into this area. You can see as it cruises through, there's different patterns. They're shooting energy in different places. It's creating this. That's called a harp ring, is what a lot of people call it. I don't know exactly the significance of that, but it's very, very interesting when you watch that stuff going on here. And again, I talked about all the stuff that was going on down here. Again, check out Dutchson's channel for more additional information. You can see a square that pops up right in here. Very interesting stuff going on. But what I want to do is show you what's going on right now. What's going on this very moment in Kansas City weather as a direct result from this storm, from this energy that was flown into this area. This is a direct result of that. And look at the storm that was just created out of thin air, that didn't exist. These energy pulses or whatever that they throw into this area creates these massive, massive storms. So when you watch radar, when you see those anomalies pop up and you notice in 2 days, big storms popping up into the area, then you start going, wow, okay, it appears to me that something is not right. And let me scoot that over for you. So yeah, so when you look at that, I mean, that's a big ass storm right there. And I don't see, too many radar anomalies on this, except this has a nice little curved edge down underneath it. This has a curved edge. Earlier on today, I noticed something that was actually, it looked to be pushing the storm northeast. And let me pull that image up here for you real quick. But this right here was from earlier in the day from the Weather Channel. And as you can see, these two rings right here looked as if they were pulsing energy to push the storm more northeast and push it over in northeast. It looked like it was trying to do. Some of the stuff ended up moving over right over Kansas City, some pretty powerful stuff. But a lot of it now, if you look at it, is appearing to be right over, it's up in Nebraska, up in Iowa, and a lot of that rain is going to find its way right to the Mississippi again. So they're really, really flooding the Mississippi with these storms they're creating. And so, again, that's my sort of theory. There's no real facts behind the theory. It's more of a conspiracy theory to say that they're creating these storms over the Midwest. All of those rains are hitting the tributaries that feed into the Mississippi River. I think they're trying to put a lot of water and put a lot of pressure on that New Madrid Fault. So I'm not going to be surprised if we have an earthquake on New Madrid Fault here in the next month. It would not surprise me one bit. But anyways, just again, showing you this quick video here, putting it out here, letting you guys see it. And again, don't take my word for it. Don't take Dutchson's word for it. Don't take anybody else's word for it. Do discernment on your own. Do analysis. Do research. Put two and two together. Don't just blindly listen to people and accept that as truth. You have to trust your heart. You have to trust your intuition and see what is real, what is not real. But as a result, in my estimation, these storms are being created. These pulses of energy are showing up on the radar. Within 24 to 48 hours later, boom, magical storms appear with tons and tons of rain that are just nailing certain areas of the country. And in my estimation, it's undeniable. It is proof that there is doom going on, right? And it's unbelievable. And but once you start seeing it over and over and over again, you start noticing a pattern and you start saying, something is not right. Something is amiss. Something is wrong with the machine. Doom.